afternoon, everyone. Well, Devika's story is truly inspirational. It's so important. Life is so precious. And we as women, in different roles, whether we are mothers, wives, daughters, we kind of bind the house together. It's so important to love yourself. This philosophy that I talk about, I've learned it from my own mother. And we kind of, being taught from the time we are born, we are taught to be givers. We kind of somewhere forget ourselves. It's very important for each and every woman to realize that they are precious to their family, that they should be precious to themselves. Life is so important. So it's very important to look after your health for a woman. They have to, everyone who's involved in this event, because it's just doing so much for us, all of us. I want as many women to come out and run on the 15th of December for Pinkathon. And a very important part, especially, you guys present out here as the media can play in taking the word out, spreading the word more and more. Because the more the awareness about health for a woman and for a man, I would say just take the cause of health forward. And definitely, these diseases like cancer, like the breast cancer awareness that we are talking about for this event is so important for every person to be, know. Because, we think that it can't happen to us, but it can happen to anybody. So you have to be careful. And I can just say, all the very best to the entire team. And may Pinkathon happen in each and every city of India soon. Thank you. Well, the philosophy of love yourself that I follow and I preach and I talk about very strongly has come from my mother. She has looked after 3 daughters, including me. We are 3 sisters. And yet, she's a homemaker. She provides for us. But she always looks after her health. I've seen this and I've learned it from my own mother. And every morning, as I wake up and as I'm about to do something active, the first 2 calls that I make is to my Didi, Bidisha, and to my younger sister, Vijayata. So definitely it runs in the family. I consciously talk to them. And I have to say at times it's tough because everybody takes your life a little bit for granted. My older sister has got rheumatoid arthritis and I have got osteoarthritis. And it's not easy, to have these problems at a very young age and yet, to be fit. But every day I motivate myself. I try to motivate as many people around me, my friends, people I meet in the gym, people I meet at work. And it's just a constant thing for me. It's something that makes me happy to see a person get fitter in front of my eyes, looking after themselves. So for me, it's just a way of life now. Well, films are topical, and yes, they carry the message very strongly. If there is a film like that, and if the story is good, I would definitely love to be a part of it. Well, there's a lady called Tanuja Mehra there. Yeah, if Tanuja, frees me on 15th of December, I would definitely be there. I think there is a 3-kilometer, 5-kilometer, and 10-kilometer run. Yeah, whatever's allowed. I have tried to run in the Mumbai Marathon before. And I've been stopped every time. I've tried to run the Delhi Half Marathon, which I'm a brand ambassador of. So it's a little tough. People don't allow me, but I'll try. For Milind and Devika, I'll try. I think सभी fit हैं. आज की दुनिया अगर आप देखेंगे आज के जो कलाकार हैं सभी fit हैं. तो सभी दौड़ सकते हैं और cause के लिए definitely सभी आगे आ सकते हैं. ऐसे causes के साथ जुड़ सकते हैं. I think Akshay Kumar is the fittest. Milind Soman, definitely no one can touch him when it comes to running. It's impossible. There's so many times I've told Milind, please, encourage me to run like you. And he keeps telling me, and every time he calls me, I kind of chicken out because it's difficult to match him. I think, but most people are fit in today's time. Everybody is doing something or the other, And the kind of thing that you do is not very important. It's as long as you are active. Me, I'm sitting right in front of you. I really don't think much about women in that way. But yeah, in terms of encouraging every woman, like just talking about a woman from Bollywood, I think more than that, we should talk about every woman from every walk of life in today's time. Everyone should come forward and run. Liberating. When you actually run, you kind of get addicted to it because it's just a very liberating experience. Everyone should try it. Like I say, I actually use that phrase. The way you brush your teeth every day, that's the way you have to stay active and do something for your body every day. Something, some physically active, some kind of exercise. Right now we're talking about running. Running is the easiest thing to do, so you should try it. I only talk about, the same thing. Love yourself. The day you start respecting your body and everything stems out of there. You can have the best of career, money, fame, love, family. If you don't have health, you don't have anything. You will suffer. So it's very important to focus on it. And, it's really serious. Every single person, the busiest of people, always give me an excuse. We don't have time. I think that's just an excuse. If you don't have time for your body, for your health, then I think whatever you're investing your time in is really foolish. You have to first invest in health. दोनों आए या और भी लोगों को लेके आए साथ में. I think रणवीर सिंह की पॉपुलैरिटी है, रणबीर कपूर की पॉपुलैरिटी है, और जितने लोग इस ऐसे कॉजेस से जुड़ेंगे, कॉजेस का अच्छा होगा, लोगों की अवेयरनेस बढ़ेगी, तो मेरे हिसाब से तो पूरी बॉलीवुड आ जाए तो चलेगा. सबके फैंस फिर फॉलो करेंगे, सब दौड़ेंगे. इट्स माय लव फॉर रनिंग. मैं एक्चुअली बताना चाहूंगी, ये इवेंट से पहले सुबह 8 बजे मैं अपने जिम में दौड़ के आई हूँ. तो जब आप दौड़ते हैं, इट्स हैप्पी हार्मोन्स इन योर बॉडी एंड यू जस्ट लुक हैप्पी, एंड दैट्स इट. दैट्स द रेडियंस, आई गेस.